Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to the shop. And today the question is, well, would ya? Well, would ya? Let's find out. A few years ago, I did a video about a new company that came on the market, Wood-Ya, and they made some really interesting pieces. They made replacement pieces, but most of them were made out of plastic. They were trying to make things affordably that could replace rare pieces that were lost, often like the squirrel tail on the back of a block plane, and a couple new items that hadn't really been on the market before. But the problem was they made them out of plastic, and it worked great. They were functional. They were exactly what you would want, other than the fact that they were plastic, and they were affordable, but that made them feel cheap. Fast forward a few years, a few months ago, I saw something come across my screen, and I thought, well, that's kind of cool. It's the plastic part that I really liked what it did, but it's made out of metal now. That's interesting. I wonder what else they would do. Little did I know, they completely revamped everything they did, and they now offer all sorts of other things, and none of them are cheap plastic. So let me start you off with the tote turner. This is cool. A regular bench plane does a lot of regular bench plane things, but it's not great at being a shooting board plane. It's just not great to hold on to, and it would be nice to have something like a shooting board plane, but these cost as much as some cars. I want to take my $10 plane, clean it up a good bit, and turn it into that. And that's where Wood-Ya steps in. This is called a tote turner. It takes the tote and, well, it turns it. So you can reach down in here and take the screws off to remove this tote. We can bring in the right-hand tote turner and use the provided screws to attach this to the body of the plane. And with a few quick turns, the tote turner is attached, and now we can put it on its side and attach the plane handle back on. Put in the front tote screw, and then reattach and torque them down to the right specs. And now, I've got that's what I want, look at that! And now, we've got ourselves a shooting plane. And they used to have this very same thing, but it was in plastic. And it worked just as well. It was completely functional. But it just was one of those things that it just didn't feel right, putting a plastic piece in between old wood and old iron. I want something that's metal. And now, this is awesome. This is incredible. I love this idea. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. And if you have ever purchased antique tools, you know that quite often there are parts missing. If you've ever purchased an antique rabbiting plane, you know that the depth stop and the fence are almost always missing. And so what he's made is brand new depth stop and fence. So with these kits, you can actually get a replacement depth stop, screw and lock nut so that you can get yours completely up and running again. They also sell the fugly fence, which honestly, yeah, it is kind of, well, fugly, but it comes with the stud so that you can put in a replacement here, and then this will just slide onto the shaft and lock it down. So with this, you actually have a fully functional fence that will work for you, and honestly is a little bit better because it's a wooden fence, and I really like those. For router planes, people are always missing the fences, the screw, the mouth closer, the depth stop rod, and he's got you covered. Wood-Ya has a full depth stop rod and mouth closer, and it's actually really nice. This one you can put in there and it will work just as well, if not better, than the original. They also sell the fence and screws and several other things that are often missing on the router planes. This one's close to my heart. On block planes, there's this little weird thing that's supposed to go on the front that allows you to open and close the mouth a lot easier than actually sliding it, but they're always missing. And I've had this one for about 10 years, and I don't have that piece. Well, guess what? I bought one from Wood-Ya, and let's see how it goes. All we have to do is slide this pin into that hole, screw this back down on, and so now with that lever, I can adjust it, open and close, with just this. Oh, it's so great. It's working the way it's supposed to work with a brand new part. Scrapers, when you buy them antique, they never ever come with the blades in them. Well, Wood-Ya actually sells several types that work just exactly like the original, maybe even a little bit better. If you've ever bought an odd job, you know that it's missing the little screwdriver wrench that's supposed to go in here. Well, Wood-Ya's got one of those. And would you look at that? It fits right in. Happy day! If you've got a Stanley 66, he's got replacement fences, as well as these scratch stock blades. different types of screws, even in the weird 1220. Spurs that are exactly designed to fit the originals. And the list goes on and on. They've got all kinds of parts. And I'm just like flabbergasted, because if you need those parts, sometimes you're going to be spending more on just the parts than you are on the original piece. But you can go to Wood Yeah and buy a new one that is actually really affordable. Not to mention squirrel tails. Yeah, they're actually putting out a series of squirrel tails that have all of the niceties of the original, and they're absolutely beautiful. It's around this point that I'm realizing that this video is probably sounding a little bit like an infomercial. It's kind of hard to get away from when you're talking about a new maker you'd like to show off. But the backstory to this is, when I saw that he started offering some of these things, I called him up and said, hey, this is absolutely awesome. I want to show off what you do. Can you send me a few of the items that you have for sale? I'm going to show them off in the video, and then I'm going to send them right back to him. So I'm not keeping anything from this. I'm not getting paid for any of this. This is something that I want to show off because this is really cool. These parts are hard to find, and it is amazing to have someone who is making like new original parts that you can buy today. So to answer the question, would ya? Well, would yeah. And the best part is there isn't a plastic piece in sight, and I love it. And what I've shown you in this is only scratching the surface of some of the things that they offer, and he's coming out with new things quite regularly. So if you're missing a part for your plane, or you would like to take a regular bench plane and turn it into a shooting board plane, Wood Yeah has an answer for you. And I'll leave a link to the information down in the description below. I'm absolutely loving this, and I'm looking forward to seeing what he comes out with in the future. So if you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do, down in the description below. And I do want to say a huge thank you for sending these over so I can show them off. I'm going to package them back up and send them back to you. So thank you for that. I think that'll do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. It's around that point in the movie you realize, oh no, the totes have turned.